Okay, QP 11.9. So there are two classes, A and B. Each has 40 students. As 10 students from class A and 12 students from class B have visited Korea. I think nowadays most of you have visited Korea. If a student is chosen at random from each class, so find the probability that both of them have visited Korea. So both of them have visited Korea. So A and B should visit Korea at the same time. So we can check the probability that the class A is going to Korea. Is actually number of choices in favorable in this sample space over total number of students. So that is 1/4. And similarly for B, for class B will be equal to 12/40. So that is equal to 3/10. So the required probability is equal to A, the selected students from A having visited Korea, times the probability for selected students from B having visited Korea. So that will be equal to 3/40. Okay, so neither of them has visited Korea. Now sometimes we may think of how about 1 minus 3/40, because we tend to think that A and B, these two parts, is the complementary events, but actually this is not. Now let me use some sort of symbol to let you visualize the situations. So for the part A, basically both of them have visited Korea. Take meaning that they have visited Korea. Okay, neither of them has visited Korea is talking about the fact that both of them have not visited Korea. But actually we have two in between cases. The first one is that the first class, let me denote the first class to be class A and the second class to be class B. So the in between two situation is that the class A selected students have visited Korea and the class B does not have visited Korea. On the other hand, you can have another situation that the class A selected have not visited Korea, while for the class B have visited Korea. So actually, these two, part A and part B, are not complementary. We still have something in between. Okay? So what we need to do is to find out the probability of both of Korea A, for A not visit Korea. So not visit Korea is the complementary events of visit Korea. So first 1 minus 1/4. Okay, and then for B not visit Korea, we simply 1 minus 3/10. So that will be the probability for B that not visit Korea. Okay, so for these cases, we find that this is equal to 21/40. Okay, so again, you can see that these two adding together is not equal to 1 because they are not complementary. So we also need to consider these two factors in order to make it complementary. On the other hand, it means that one of them have visited Korea probability is 1 minus these two stuff. Okay, so that will be equal to 16 over 40. You try to simplify by yourself, okay? So if for the next question, it try to ask you the yellow situation, so then you can deduce from part A and part B to get this answer, or you can use other ways to do the calculations.